In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gmail filters to forward incoming emails to multiple email addresses. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by incoming messages and wished you could streamline how you handle them with ease, then you're in the right place. So let's dive in and simplify your email management. First things first, we need to head over to Google. Open your preferred browser and navigate to Google's homepage. Once you're there, you'll notice the familiar sign in button in the top right hand corner. Click on it, and if you aren't already signed in, enter your credentials and log into your account. This will allow us to access Gmail and manage our email settings effectively. Now that you're signed in, our next destination is Gmail itself. From Google's homepage, click on the Gmail link usually found along the top of your screen. This takes you directly into your Gmail dashboard. Once you've reached your inbox, take a moment to get comfortable with the layout. It's where we'll be working our magic. The next step in our journey involves heading into your Gmail settings. Look over to the top right corner of your dashboard, and there you will find a gear icon which leads to settings. Give it a click and a drop down menu will appear. Select See All Settings from this menu to ensure we have full access to the options we need. Within the settings menu, navigate to the tab labelled Forwarding and Pop IMAP. This section is key to getting our email forwarding up and running. In the forwarding section, click on the link that says Add a forwarding address. This is where the real setup begins. Enter the email address you want to forward mail to in the prompt that appears. If you're handling multiple addresses, repeat this process for each one. Gmail will send a confirmation email to each address. Make sure to access those accounts and confirm the forwarding request. This verification step is crucial as Gmail needs permission from the other addresses to forward emails automatically. Take a deep breath, Yukiogo Bolts. You've now set the stage for managing your incoming emails more effectively. At this point, it's also a great idea to create filters based on email criteria like sender, subject, or keywords. Filters help direct the flow of incoming emails, making sure they reach the right people without you lifting a finger. And there you have it. You've learned how to set up Gmail filters to forward emails to multiple addresses, a tool that can help you manage communication much more efficiently. Try it out and see how it transforms your email workflow. Thanks for watching, and make sure to stay tuned for more tips on mastering your digital life.